Hello listener, welcome to SolidWorks Master CAM CNC Learner. Today how to draw build a SolidWorks. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the circle here and circle here and circle draw here. Select. Now give the circle dimension, this circle 35 and this circle dimension 50 and this circle dimension 10. Okay. Now this circle and this circle distance 55 and this circle and this circle distance 70. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 30. Okay. This point and this point vertically 45. Okay. Now origin point and circle point vertically 45. Okay. Select. Now this point control origin point horizontal. Okay. Now draw the line here, select. Now draw here, select. Now draw here, select. Now this point control this line coincident and this point control this line coincident. This line control this line tangent and this line control this line tangent. Okay. Again this point control this line coincident, this point control this line coincident and this line control this line tangent and this line control this line control this line tangent. Okay. Now this point control this line coincident and this point control this line coincident. This line control this line tangent and this line control this line tangent. Okay. Make our job. Come over here. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all. Now you can check total length. Go to evaluate and check measure. Total length 622.89 millimeter. Thank you all everybody, share and like. If have any question you can write comment.